Again, welcome back to Things That You Can Do, because if I can do it, it means that you can do it too. Now, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting the heck out of that bicycle assemble video. YouTube has its way, and I really didn't expect anyone to see that video. But with that said, there is one topic on that bike that I want to cover, just to help a few of you guys, and that is how to put on the front brake assembly. So let's not waste no more time. Stay tuned. Alright, so when you get this bike, the front brake is going to be like this. And yeah, you're trying to figure out like, what do I do? But it's quite simple. I'm going to show you. Alright, just take a look. You see these openings? You're going to slip that onto, I don't know if this is a brake rotor or whatever they want to call this on a bicycle, but you're going to just slip this over that, and you're going to let this part sit in the back side. Line it up with the screw holes. .3/16 to tighten all the way. And that's it, people. It's your front brake attached to your bike. Now, if you guys have any question in regards to this bicycle, feel free. So far, the bike is good. The only thing that I will change on this bicycle is the seat. The seat will destroy your butt. And my wife is not going to be riding this bike with the seat that came with it. If you guys want to see me put that on, go ahead and leave me a comment, and I will do that for you. All right.